Review.
Review. Now, let's start. Let's start now. Now, we will start for this. Open. Open.
Okay. Nakastart na ba? Ay,
Nag-intro na siya kanina pa.
Yeah.
kita naman ako. Hi.
What's this flavor? Eat this.
What's this flavor? We will know the flavor when we try to taste
I
it.
want to eat. I want to taste it too.
Okay, go ahead. Let's go. Open. Can you open?
But it's so hard.
Oh, you can open it.
Oh, it's the first.
Okay.
Hi.
Wala.
What?
Mmm.
Tastes like what? It tastes like what?
Sarap. Lasang yung ano, Oreo. May vanilla tsaka yung ano. Yung cracker na itim. Basta yun. Oreo nga eh. Yummy.
Ang bata, busy.
Can you try
What
the
can you
other
say,
one?
Asher? Malaglag. Sorry.
Can you try this one?
It looks like a rock.
Looks like a rock.
Does it taste like a rock also? Yes! Muti ka. Oh, itong orange.
Classic flavor.
Nice.
What's the taste?
Hinipan kaya nila to nung
Mainit.
nagluluto sila.
Mainit.
Look. Look at
Sarap.
TP. Look, watch this, TP.
Careful.
That's how you gonna eat the pulveron.
Oh, ito naman yung green.
Okay.
Ano to?
Where am I gonna put this?
The garbage.
Where is it? But I'll get tired.
Latik. Latik. Sarap.
Wait,
Sit down na siya.
I'll get tired.
Sarap ng latik. Ito yung pinakamasarap.
Yung latik.
Next yung classic. Next.
Mommy, the food
Itong Oreo.
is starting.
Yes po. Kanina pa.
What's the other papers? Mommy, what's our neighbors doing?
I do not know. Cover your mouth when you're
My
Ano,
children.
Pag
Ay,
mainit, hihipan.
Drink water muna. Asher,
Pag
drink water
hinihipan,
muna.
mawala. Tanong mo kala Ate Pi kung hinihipan ba nila pag mainit pa. Para lumamig.
What are we doing today?
Yummy.
Mom,
What do you think?
I see you.
Me too. I can see you from here.
Can I
Okay.
see?
Sarap.
Okay. And
I love you,
Magkano
Ate
to?
P.
And you're done with the food review.
No,
At yet, magkano to?
Magkano yan?
we're not yet done, Mom.
Kalimutan.
Why are you saying it's already done?
Paid.
Paid na yan. Huwag ka mag-alala. Paid.
Paid. Okay.
Nakalista na yan sa husband to pay.
Mommy, how do you open?
Are you not done yet?
There's two having it. How do I open? That's so weird. It's stuck.
Dami mong binili ah.
How do I open it? How do I open it?
Just
Tama-tama yung tila.
like this.
Sino nagluto nito?
Yung sweetness niya, no, hindi siya nakakaumay.
Mas maganda yung
Texture.
texture. Fine
Moist.
na fine.
Moist.
Tsaka moist.
Hindi siya nakakaubo, hindi siya nakakahirin. It's a perfect.
It's a perfect. Perfect
Orange.
Basta it's a perfect.
It's a perfect score.
Mommy, what's the perfect school?
Score, hindi school.
School?
Sabi niya siya. Let's do the food review.
Again.
It's food review, not
Mommy.
food reveal.
Are we having it again?
Yeah.
What again?
With your dad. You and your dad.
You already ate so many?
Tigi-isa. Kayo na umaga din, tigi-isa yung kinain namin. Pero hati kami din. Ngayon, solo niya. Hindi kayo naghati.
I like it. Good na pa ng packaging. Oh,
Oh, man.
hindi siya yung nadudurog na ano.
I will end this
Di ba
now.
yung iba nadudurog?
It's already 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, final comments? Final comments? Anything to
Final
say?
comments lang.
Oh, sure. I will end this now. What can you say? Something to say before I end this?
Don't. Can
I
you
need
not?
to end this.
Why?
It's getting longer, the video.
Oh, longer.
Anto, ito ba yung free taste? Ito yung free taste.
Hindi. Paid yan. Paid taste yan.
Paid taste.
Okay, and you're done with your food review.
But it's so many.
Gusto niya i-video lang. No, anak, you cannot eat too many. O, say bye-bye na. Bye.
Bye to
Until
what?
next food review.
What are you talking? Bye-bye.
Baka meron sila nung ano,
Little
yung
and
puting matamis.
where is it then?
Ano yung puting matamis?
I want it to be long.
Okay, bye. Bye na.
Bye.
Hello.
Ano ba nila yan? Ha?
No! No, it has so many.
Hindi ko trip nila pa. Kaping pa rin. Tapos kain ng matamis.
Okay, open here.
Hindi niya na naubos yung spaghetti. Pinagpalit ng spaghetti sa pulburon. Tapos, last one na yan ha. That's the last one.
What are you open?
Drink water first. Okay. Bye.
Mom, can I see it?